name is Jenny Abrimatea, 37 years old, married with 3 kids from Philippines. I worked before in Saudi Arabia for 4 years under one employer. In Qatar, 2 years. I can clean the house, I can wash and iron clothes, I can take care of kids, I can assist in kitchen, I can cook biryani, magluba, macarona, and willing to learn more how to cook Arabic food. I can make salata, sandwich, pancake, and Arabic coffee and tea. I am expecting 1,700 dirham per my monthly salary. I am aware that I have no day off with 2 years contract, and I will be able to use my mobile after all my work is finished. Thank you.